Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to do some short exercise on I think I had a comment on I know go gree by city Cshape. So I'll sing the this year lessons money testimony part. So let's take a look at the course first. I'm actually going to use D for this tutorial, so you might want to use a C shape and keep your capo on the second fret. Okay, so let's go. So we are going to start with F, C, then A minor, then G, the same way. F, C, A minor, G. So these here blessings, money, testimony, gotta follow, you let go. Yeah. So we're going to continue the same. Everything I've been wanting, everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my, everything I've been wanting. So everything I've been wanting, so G, and C, G, A minor, or F. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my, no. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything I've been wanting, manifesting. So this. So you're just adding the picking to it to make it sound nice and attractive. So this year, no lessons, money, testimony, gotta follow, go. Forgive me, I don't know how to sing a song. Everything I'll be wanting. Okay, so let's keep the everything I've been wanting. C, G, F. Okay. So this year. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, if you have any question or anything I need to clarify, kindly leave in the comment section below, and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like it, and share as well. Thank you. See you next time.